My name is Emma.
And I'm Grace. We're both workshop interns at the View Art Center.
Welcome back to View from Home. This week, we're going to be making friendship bracelets.
They're super stylish and fun to make too. You can wear them yourselves or give them to a friend.
There's lots of different looks and styles to explore, so
let's get into it.
For this project, you'll need embroidery floss or string, scissors, tape, and a friend.
First, we'll show you how to make a forward knot, which will be used in all of the patterns in this video. Using the leftmost string, create an L shape laying on top of the other strings. It should form the shape of the number 4 with the other string. Bring the tail of the first string underneath the second string, and then pull upwards through the loop until it creates a firm knot at the top of your bracelet.
Now, let's start our first bracelet. We'll be demonstrating the spiral pattern. First, choose the colors you want to use. Then, cut them to the length of your wingspan. You can choose as many colors as you want. Gather them together and fold them in half. Knot the folded end of your string to make a loop. This will hold your bracelet together. Tape the loop to a sturdy surface to keep your strings in place while you make your bracelet. Organize your colors. You should have as many groups as you have colors.
To start your spiral bracelet, make a forward knot with the leftmost string over all of the other color groups. You should end up with one big knot at the top of your bracelet. Now, repeat this knot with the same color group 15 times. Next, choose your second color group to add to the spiral pattern. Again, make 15 forward knots over all of your other color groups. Continue to add colors to the spiral bracelet using 15 forward knots at a time. Repeat the pattern until your bracelet is long enough. With the help of a friend, tie your bracelet onto your wrist. Use a pair of scissors to cut off any extra string. Look how cool! We delivered our spiral bracelet to one of our friends at View.
The next bracelet that we'll be making is the diagonal. For this bracelet, you'll need at least 3 colors. We'll be using 5. Again, fold your strings in half and make a knotted loop at the top. Organize your strings into color groups. Using the leftmost string, make a forward knot on the color group to the right. Do this twice. Next, make 2 forward knots on the next color group. Repeat making forward knots on each color group until your first color has moved all the way to the right of your bracelet. When you are finished with your first color group, begin making forward knots with your second color group, which should now be on the leftmost side of your bracelet. Repeat with each of your colors until the bracelet is long enough. Wow, that's looking great! Now let's share some bracelets with our friends at View. Wow, these look great! Look, it's our friend Mark Salisbury, the president of View. Let's give him a friendship bracelet. Whoa, that looks great! Super stylish! And now for a photo montage of Grace with her friendship bracelet at View.
These bracelets turned out so great.
It's amazing how many patterns you can make with one knot.
We can't wait to see what stylish bracelets you make with your friends. Share your creations with us on Instagram using the hashtag #ViewArtsFromHome. We'll repost your photos on our stories.
Be sure to check back on our website every week for a fun new craft that you can do at home.
This was Emma and Grace signing off.